friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll do the unboxing and hands-on review of the powerful gaming laptop from ASUS under the ROG series, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus S GX701 GX model. So this device has been launched in India with the top-of-the-line hardware for gaming enthusiasts. It has the slimmest 17.1 inches display, and it's extremely compact laptop. It's made of top-of-the-line hardware. It has powerful GPU and extremely great device for gaming. And we'll do the unboxing. We'll show you the box contents. It's a unique box package actually. And the pricing of the laptop is 3,49,000. So it has powerful hardware, and it's also priced high at 3.5 lakh rupees. So it's more or less like a pure gaming laptop with the top of the line hardware. So we have the box package, and we'll unbox this first. We'll show you the box contents, and then we'll talk about the laptop in detail. So we have two boxes. So one, the main box has the laptop, so you can see that the ASUS ROG branding is also included. So you can see that this box itself is pretty compact for a 17-inch laptop. And opening up the box, you get this laptop. So this is the laptop. So it's made of full metal construction and looks really premium. You can also see the slimness of the laptop. So it's just 18 mm thickness. So that's something really great. Top of the line material quality, metal construction. So we'll talk about all those things in a while. So let's just keep this laptop aside, and then you get a small box with the manual and the warranty information included. So that's the one available in this box. Now let's go to the next box where we have the other stuffs. So this is the second box we get with the laptop. So let's just open this and see what is inside. So you get the regular charger, the adapter for the laptop, then a few more instruction and manual included, and then you get some interesting things. So one is the webcam. So this device does not come with an inbuilt webcam. So it has an external webcam included. So we'll just show you how the webcam works. So you can see that this is a webcam. You can actually place it anywhere. It has a holder as well as it has a desk stand like mechanism. So you can actually open this. You can see that this is how the webcam looks like, and you can actually use this with this desk stand, or you can actually hang it on top of the laptop. So that's how you can place this. You can see that this is how you can place it, and there's an external webcam. It can be used with this device. So that's inside the box. Now let's see what else comes inside. So there is another box. This will just open and show you. So this is the gaming mouse which is included. So you can see that this is a brilliant gaming mouse which is included, and you also get the cable. So it's a beautiful gaming mouse. It's again ROG branded. It's called ROG Gladius 2 optical gaming mouse, which is included with the box package. Again, looks really nice. Now let's boot the laptop, and we'll show you the ports, the display. The display is something which is really good. We'll come back to that. So this is the ROG Zephyrus S GX701 GX laptop under the ROG series. It's a top of the line premium laptop. So you can see that the material quality is really good. It's completely metal and it's a brushed metal finishing, and you can also see the ROG logo here, and we have the cooling options here. And you can also see the copper accents here. So around the device you can see copper accents, which actually looks really nice. And you can also see that it's very slim laptop. It's just 18 mm in thickness. Now opening the laptop, that's where the real beauty lies. So opening up, you can see that it has this keyboard at the bottom section. So this is the keyboard. We just show you a close-up look. So you can see the keyboard looks really nice, and the ASUS ROG logo at the top as well. And it has an aura lighting. The RGB lighting is included. The power button also included here at the bottom. So this area is basically helps in better cooling. That's what ASUS claims. And you can also see the keyboard has been placed towards the bottom section, and the trackpad has been placed towards the right section. And you can also see there is an option for increasing or decreasing the volume. So that's the hardware. Now looking at the ports. So that's one thing where you can see it has plenty of ports included. So on the left side you get the power port, then you have HDMI 2.0 port, then there is USB 3.1 generation 2 Type A port. Then you also get USB 3.1 generation 2 Type C port with the display port 1.4, and power delivery is also included. Then you have the 3.5mm audio jack. So these are the ports on the left side. Now coming to the right side, so here we have the USB 3.1 generation 1 Type C ports. Then two USB 3.1 generation 1 Type A port is also included. So there are plenty of ports to choose. We have the USB Type C port as well as USB Type, the regular USB Type A port, and the HDMI port is also included. So plenty of ports to choose. Now at the back you can see that there is the Republic of Gamers logo also included. And another interesting mechanism of the laptop is that when you open the lid, actually you can see that it raises a bit for better cooling. So you can see that as soon as I open the laptop, you can see that the bottom section opens up for better cooling, and there also you can see the RGB aura lighting included. So that's something which helps in better cooling actually. And now talking about the hardware. So talking about the hardware, it's powered by the Intel Core i7-8750H 2.2 GHz processor with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 with 8GB of RAM included. That's the graphic card included, and it also has DDR4 RAM, which is 24GB RAM on board. And it also has DDR4 RAM, which is having a capability to expand to at least 24GB, and it also has a 1TB SSD included that helps in really great performance. And talking about the display, it is a 17.3 inches Full HD IPS LCD panel with 144 Hz refresh rate, and it is a Pantone validated display. So that means you get really great colors with the Pantone validated certified display. And it also has a RGB backlit chiclet keyboard with Aura Sync, and some dedicated keys also included. Now the software running is the Windows Home version, and it also has 2.5 watts two speakers with smart AMP technology. So again it helps in getting you a better audio output. So these are the hardware aspects of the laptop. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. So you can see that this is a laptop, and it looks really nice in terms of the build quality. You can see that it's completely made of metal chassis, and you can also see that the 144 Hz refresh rate IPS LCD panel, and the display looks really great, especially when gaming. You get the best display experience, and you can also see that this has a bezel-less experience. Very slim bezels all around. That makes this one of the compact 17.3 inches laptop, and with great cooling technologies as well. So the RGB keyboard looks really nice. You can see that the Aura lighting can be configured. There is also an Aura ROG logo at the top. This also can be configured. Now thing is that couple of things with the keyboard. So design wise, this looks really nice. Top of the line material construction looks also really great. Now a couple of things about the keyboard. The keyboard as such, the travel in the keyboard looks really good. It's a chiclet keyboard and works really well. Now one thing which we didn't like much about the keyboard is that the trackpad is placed towards the right section. That takes a bit of time to get used to it, because here we can see that there's no option. Here it has been given more importance for cooling, so you don't have the keyboard placed in the top section. So the trackpad has been shifted to the right area, so that gets some time getting used to it. And you also get dedicated keys for everything, especially for gamers. So we have the volume keys as well. So looks really nice, and this is powered by the Intel Core i7 processor, which is the top of the line processor. And the graphics card is also NVIDIA GeForce GTX 2080 with 8GB onboard memory. So that makes it one of the really powerful hardware for gamers. So it has really great abilities as well. So now talking about the options, so you can see that this has some dedicated keys for including the fan speed. So there is a software called this is Armory Crate is a software. So this is a software, and you can see that there are lots of options for gamers. You can have the balance mode, the silent mode in case you don't want the fan to make much of noise. So when there is a high performance mode enabled, you can actually see that the fan gets some noise when you're playing for around 30 minutes or so. So if you want a more silent mode, you can go for that. Balance mode is there. So you can control everything, including the CPU load, GPU load. You can monitor everything, the memory status, the fan load, and the device configuration. The gaming profiles can be set. So all those things can be set with this profile. That's the Armoury Crate software, which is a new version on this laptop. So that's the laptop software aspects. Now talking about the gaming experience, so if you're a true gamer, this is something which you definitely love. Exceptional performance in gaming, no frame skips whatsoever, and extremely smooth gaming experience. We tried some of the games. We'll talk about the gaming in a separate video if possible, but then this is just an hands-on video, so we won't be able to show you in-depth gaming. But this device is a really top-end device for gaming, especially with high-end graphics and 144 Hz refresh rate display. It is a treat to use, and top of the line hardware offers great overall performance. Now talking about the battery performance, so the ROG Zephyrus S is a model which is for pure gamers. So the gaming experience, we found that the laptop could give you around 2.5 to 3 hours maximum when you are doing gaming, and if you're not gaming for casual users, this can get you maximum of 4 hours. That's the maximum output we got from this laptop. Now a couple of things which we didn't like much about the laptop is a bit too heavy, but then you have to consider that it's a large 17.3 inches display size, so obviously it is going to be heavy. It's around 2.7 kgs, so it's not a laptop which you can carry around easily, but then it's more for a gamer. So you might be a person who would be sitting in your room and gaming, so in that aspect it's definitely good, but then it's not for regular usage because it's a bit too heavy, and the heating is slightly on the higher side because the cooling systems are there, but then the cooling systems definitely has some noise coming in when running in high speed, and the cooling was not very effective, to be very frank, but then this is definitely gives you great performance in terms of the gaming. Now apart from that, the placement of the trackpad was not that great, especially when it is on the right side. It does take some time getting used to it. So this is the Zephyrus S GX701 GX model from ASUS. This is under the ROG series, and this is priced 3,49,000, so almost 3.5 lakh rupees in India, and this gets you a really great gaming experience. But we would have expected at least a 4K display on this device, especially for the pricing. Although it has 1 TB of SSD included, a 4K display could have been better at least at this price segment. So that is unboxing and hands-on review with the ASUS ROG Zephyrus S model. This is available right now in India. So that's all guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.